Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to the channel, check the links in the description for the best deals on all the backup cameras featured in this video, and leave a comment letting us know which one you like the most, or which one you're currently using. Have you ever struggled to reverse your car into a tight parking space, worried about unseen obstacles, low curbs, or even small pets behind your vehicle? Many drivers deal with blind spots every single day, and that stress can easily turn into costly dents or dangerous accidents. That's exactly why today's video is so important, because we're counting down the 5 best car vehicle backup cameras that can dramatically improve your visibility, confidence, and safety every time you shift into reverse, so make sure you stay with us until the end to see which camera earns the top spot. Starting at number 5, the PixelMan backup camera is designed with durability and clarity in mind, making it a solid entry-level option for drivers who want reliable rear visibility. This camera features a high-quality CMOS sensor that delivers a clear and stable image, even in low light conditions, and it offers a wide viewing angle that helps reduce blind spots when reversing. It is housed in a rugged metal casing and carries a high waterproof rating, allowing it to withstand rain, car washes, dust, and harsh weather without losing performance. The camera supports both NTSC and PAL video systems, making it compatible with most aftermarket head units and factory displays, and it is designed for flexible installation as either a rear or front view camera depending on how you wire it. What makes this PixelMan camera stand out is its balance between affordability and dependable performance, making it a great choice for daily drivers who want an upgrade from basic mirrors without spending a fortune. It is especially well suited for sedans and compact SUVs where a wide and stable image is more important than advanced features. The only minor downside is that it does not include parking guidelines adjustment, but for the price, it still delivers excellent value and dependable visibility. At number 4, the eRapta backup camera steps things up with a strong focus on image sharpness and ease of installation. This camera uses a high-definition sensor that produces a crisp and detailed image, helping you clearly see obstacles, lines, and objects behind your vehicle. It features a wide-angle lens that offers broad coverage without excessive distortion, and its IP69 waterproof rating ensures it performs reliably in heavy rain, mud, and snow. The sturdy metal housing adds durability, while the camera's universal compatibility allows it to work with most car monitors, DVD players, and aftermarket head units. The eRapta backup camera really shines for drivers who want a simple, no-fuss solution that works right out of the box and delivers consistently clear visuals. It is ideal for everyday commuting vehicles, pickup trucks, and SUVs that need a reliable rear camera for tight parking situations. The only small drawback is that the viewing angle may feel slightly narrower compared to premium models, but overall it remains a trustworthy and cost-effective choice. Coming in at number 3, the Furrion Vision S wireless RV backup camera is built specifically for larger vehicles and RV owners who need long-range wireless performance. This system features a high-resolution camera paired with a strong digital wireless signal that can transmit video over long distances without lag or interference. It offers infrared night vision for clear images in complete darkness, a wide viewing angle for better awareness, and a durable, weatherproof housing designed for extended outdoor exposure. The camera integrates seamlessly with Furrion monitors and supports continuous observation, allowing drivers to monitor traffic behind them even while driving forward. What truly makes the Furrion Vision S stand out is its exceptional wireless reliability and rugged construction, making it perfect for RVs, trailers, and long vehicles where wired systems can be difficult to install. It is best suited for travelers and campers who prioritize safety on highways and campgrounds. The only downside is its higher price point, but for RV owners the performance and peace of mind easily justify the investment. At number 2, the NATIKA backup and front view camera is a versatile and premium option designed for drivers who want maximum flexibility and image quality. This camera features a high-definition sensor with excellent color accuracy and clarity, along with a super wide-angle lens that significantly reduces blind spots. It boasts an IP69K waterproof rating, one of the highest available, ensuring durability against extreme weather and pressure washing. The camera is designed for both rear and front installation and supports optional parking guidelines depending on wiring configuration, making it adaptable to different driving needs. The NATIKA camera stands out because of its superior build quality and flexibility, making it ideal for drivers who want one camera that can handle multiple installation scenarios. It is especially great for trucks, SUVs, and off-road vehicles that face rough conditions. The only minor limitation is that installation may take slightly longer due to its advanced wiring options, but once installed, it delivers outstanding performance. Taking the top spot at number 1, the PixelMan HD backup camera earns its place with exceptional image quality and professional-grade durability. This camera features an advanced HD sensor that delivers sharp, detailed images with excellent low-light performance, ensuring you can see clearly at night or in shaded parking areas. It offers a wide viewing angle that minimizes blind spots while maintaining natural image proportions, and its heavy-duty metal housing with a high waterproof rating ensures long-term reliability. The camera is compatible with a wide range of displays and supports both NTSC and PAL systems, making it a versatile upgrade for almost any vehicle. What makes the PixelMan HD backup camera the best overall choice is its combination of crystal-clear visuals, rugged construction, and consistent performance across different driving conditions. It is perfect for drivers who want the best balance of quality, reliability, and ease of use for daily driving or professional applications. The only slight drawback is that it costs a bit more than basic models, but the superior clarity and durability make it absolutely worth it. That wraps up our countdown of the 5 best vehicle backup cameras. If this video helped you choose the right camera for your car, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, check the links in the description for the best deals, and leave a comment sharing your experience or asking any questions you may have. Your support helps us bring you more honest and helpful reviews, and we'll see you in the next video.